What's going on YouTube? Thanks for stopping by What's New Barbecue. We are in the backyard. As you can see, I've got old copper fired up, the Weber kettle, and we're going to be making us some Wright rub chicken wings. Y'all have seen me use the Wright rub before. I'm excited to knock these wings out. The Dallas Mavericks are playing a little bit later. What better thing to have with some basketball, some playoff basketball, than some smoked chicken wings. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscription button and the bell next to it so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. Let's go ahead, I'll get y'all turned around, show you what the wings are looking like, and we'll get to cooking. Alright gang, it's time to get to these chicken wings. I literally love cooking chicken wings. There's never a time where I see chicken wings in the grocery store and I don't get them. I make sure to grab at least 2 packs because I don't know about where y'all live, but sometimes it just seems like chicken wings run low, so I grab 2 at a time. This is what we're going to be seasoning with, Wright rub, the all-purpose rub. Y'all have seen me use this before on the channel. I love this stuff. It goes great on chicken like we're using it today, pork, seafood. I've used it in a pizza recipe before. You name it, guys. This is some really good all-purpose rub. So before we get them seasoned up, we are going to hit them with a little extra virgin olive oil. So let's go ahead and get these out of the package here. Alright, now that we got them in the bowl here, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil I should say, to these chicken wings. And this is going to allow us to break up any chicken wings that are still stuck together maybe. And also going to allow us to coat the skin of these chicken wings. So these are going to really hold that rub on well. So just like that, nothing crazy. Let me go ahead and rinse my hands off real quick. Alright, we've got these all drenched or covered with some extra virgin olive oil all sides so we can really get some seasoning on there. And like I said earlier, we're using Wright rub, the all-purpose. Link will be down below in the description box. So we're going to go ahead and put a good amount on it. I love this stuff on chicken. The very first time I used this rub actually was on some St. Louis style ribs. And I'll see if I can find that. That was a while ago though. I've been using Wright rub all-purpose for a long time. It's really good. But with some St. Louis style ribs, if I can find the link to that, I will put it in the description box if you want to check that out also. Just give this a good mix. Just like that. And reapply. The chimney's almost fully grayed over, and what I mean by fully grayed over means that the charcoal are fully caught and grayed over, so that's perfect time to throw them into the Weber. I'm going to go ahead and finish seasoning these up, rinse off my hands, and then we'll get them onto the Weber. Alright barbecue addicts, let's go ahead and get our wings on. It's smelling good. Check those out. Those are looking good, huh? Smelling good out here. I went ahead and went with some pecan wood chips. And we're going to be shooting for a temperature on the grill of around 300 degrees. Somewhere around there is perfect. We're going to put these big guys up front because they can take the heat a little bit better than the flats. And we can still reapply our seasoning once we get them onto the grill grates here. Get you up there. Mavericks basketball's tonight, the playoffs. So I'm making some wings for me and my brother. Actually, these go up there. These are going to be awesome. I love me some Wright rub chicken wings. Yeah, I'm going to reapply some seasoning to these ones on the bottom here. Let me go ahead and get these onto the grill here. Get them seasoned up. Re-seasoned I should say, and then I'll catch back up with y'all. Just gorgeous, man. While I got this lid open still, I'm gonna add one little handful more of some pecan wood chips. Shut the kettle down. I'll catch back up with y'all in 20 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 20 minutes and now it's time to check on these wings and probably give them a rotation or a flip. They are looking awesome. Got nice color on them. Oh yeah. Those are looking beautiful. Look at that. Can y'all see that? That's looking awesome. Man, smells awesome. in between the last time I saw y'all and the 20 minutes, I did add about a half a handful of pecan wood chips right up here. So just to make sure that we got that even smoke penetration rolling and smoke rolling the whole time. That's the fun part about a Weber, is you can kind of mess with the fire and add more smoke or take more smoke away. We can touch some of these wings up that need to be. These are smelling beautiful. Man, that pecan wood's gonna go great on these wings. Hopefully the Mavericks will win the game tonight. There we go. Got those rotated around. I'm gonna go ahead and touch these bad boys up. I'll see y'all in 20 minutes. Alright people, it's been 25 more minutes. Let's take a peek at our wings and see what we're looking like. That's looking perfect. Let me get y'all a close up. Check that out. Beautiful. Man. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pull these off the smoker, get them into the bowl that they were in when we were getting them seasoned up. We washed that out. We're going to get them into that bowl, and then we're going to get them sauced up. So I'll meet y'all in the kitchen. Alright guys, let's get these wings sauced up. We're using the Wright all-purpose seasoning from Wright BBQ Company, so I figured why not use some Peach Chipotle sauce from Wright BBQ Company as well. This stuff's awesome. Let me go ahead and actually shake this up a little bit. All my friends and family love this stuff, and there's a reason for it. Just like that. Boy, that's looking awesome. We'll give these wings a mix. Smells great already. If I had to guess, we've got about 25 minutes to go and these wings will be ready. I'll see y'all out at the Weber once we get these all sauced up and ready to put them on. Alright folks, let's go ahead and get these wings back on. The Weber is still running hot. Like I said, we got about 25 more minutes to go until these bad boys are ready. Smells awesome. I added about another half a handful of pecan wood chips just to get some more smoke on these wings since we did just sauce them up. I'm gonna go ahead and get these wings on. Next time I see y'all, we'll give them a taste. Would you look at those, man? Jeez. These bad boys are done. I just put them right over the charcoal just for a little extra char and another element of flavor and crispiness. I'm gonna pull these off, let them rest for about 10 minutes, and then we'll give them a try. Alright guys, it's time to give these wings a try. Y'all saw the setup. I've got the celery, the wings, the carrots, and I mixed up a little bit of just some simple sriracha ranch, just about 3/4 of ranch and 1/4 of some sriracha. And now it's time to give these bad boys a try. Man, they're looking awesome. Got a great crust on them. Let's see what we're working with. That's exactly how it should bite. Clean off the bone, guys. That sauce, that seasoning, that smoke, that char, so good. Let me get one of these pieces of celery and cleanse my palate real quick. That's awesome. Let me give my favorite a try, and that's the flat. So let's see what this tastes like. Put a little sauce on it. This sriracha ranch is awesome. Again, just like a chicken wing should be, Let me grab one of these carrots and give it a try. I love me a chicken wing with some celery, some carrots, some ranch. Sign me up. I appreciate y'all for stopping by What's New Barbecue. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscription button and the bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. You don't want to miss out on the next video that's coming up. And don't forget to hit that subscription bell like I said. Comment down below, let me know that you were here. And until next time guys, y'all keep on barbecuing.
Ooh, I like it.
You like it? Is it sweet?